Good evening. I welcome you all for today's session on design thinking implementation of basic basics of serial communication in PIC microcontrollers. So serial basics of serial communication. First, serial communication serves as the backbone of modern electronics, facilitating the exchange of data between microcontrollers, sensors, displays, and countless other components. So here the empathize of serial communication is we may struggle to comprehend the difference between various serial communication protocols such as UART Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter and SPI and I2C, that is I square C. They might misconstrue their functionalities, resulting in difficulties in choosing the most suitable protocol for their application. The concepts of synchronous communication, where data is transmitted with the synchronized clock signal, can be perplexing for learners. They may misunderstood how data is synchronized and the implications of asynchronous communication on data transmission reliability. So the defined path is here we have three concepts like first baud rate and data transmission speed. We can explain like define the baud rate refers to the speed at which data is transmitted over a serial communication link measured in bits per second. It determines the rate at which the transmitter sends the data and the receiver samples it. Choosing the appropriate baud rate is essential for ensuring reliable communication between PIC microcontrollers and other devices. It is important to consider factors such as the maximum baud rate supported to the distance between them and the noise in the communication environment. The data framing and error handling is the serial data transmission involves framing data into packets for transmission, and each data packet typically consists of a start bit, data bits, optionally parity bit. So the understanding the structure of these data frames is crucial for correctly interpreting the receiving data. Additionally, implementing error detection and correction mechanism of parity checks helps ensure data integrity in serial communication. Proper error handling techniques should be employed to detect and recover the frame transmission errors effectively. So here the ideate is we can develop an interactive story like a user navigates through a virtual world filled with devices and gadgets interconnected via UART and SPI protocols. Each level of the game presents a different scenario where the user must solve communication challenges using UART and SPI. For example, in one level, the user may need to help a character which sends a secret to another character using UART communication. They would have to choose the correct baud rate and data format to ensure the serial transmission. In another level, the user might assist a character in transferring the data between the device using special communication, navigating through obstacles and ensuring the integrity along the way. Throughout the game, interactive tutorials and pop-up explanations provide in how UART and special protocols work, reinforcing key concepts in the engaging arrangement memorable array. So the prototype, the role of serial communication in data exchange is the serial communication enables PIC microcontrollers to exchange data with external devices, sensors and modules in real time. By sending and receiving data serially, PIC microcontrollers can interface with sensors to gather environmental data, control actuators to perform specific tasks, communications with displays to present information and interact with other microcontrollers and computers. The seamless data exchange facilitated by serial communications allows PIC microcontrollers to perform a diverse range of functions in various electronics, and from simple home automation projects to to complex industrial control systems. Understanding the principles and applications of serial communication is essential to designing and implementing effective embedded solutions using PIC microcontrollers. So this is a person how using a serial communication, how he can communicate the electronics gadgets is an as an type testing how he can communicate with the electronic gadgets. Thank you.